Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Samsung Note 10 is probably one of the most sought-after smartphones on the market, and for good reason, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology, a stunning display, and the signature S Pen stylus that has made the Note series a favorite among power users and creatives alike, making it a compelling option for anyone looking for a premium Android experience that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Number 5. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Introducing the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro, designed for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Experience ultimate protection and convenience with this rugged case. This case is a winner of CNET's Best Case Scenario Drop Test. Its multilayer TPU and polycarbonate materials provide unparalleled drop protection for your device. Enjoy hands-free viewing with the built-in kickstand. It also comes with a detachable rotating holster for easy carrying. The full-body design offers robust defense against drops and impacts. Please note, a screen protector is not included with this case. Specifically engineered for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Plus 5G, 2019 release. Ensure you have the correct model for a perfect fit. What we like. This case offers unparalleled protection against drops, thanks to its multilayer TPU and polycarbonate construction. It also features a built-in stand for convenient viewing and a detachable rotating holster for easy carrying. If you need rugged protection for demanding environments or outdoor activities, this is the case for you. What people say. The plastic material that is covering my phone feels strong and sturdy. It has its own kickstand to hold your phone while recording, watching, eating, or multitasking, and you can have it kickstand up or on its side as well. The case is sturdy, strong, and has a good plastic grip to it. It has saved my phone from cracking when it hits the floor, walls, or table. The plastic material feels nice, and it is scratch resistant as well. Number 4. Crave Galaxy Note 10 Case, Forest Green. Introducing the ultimate protective case for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. It's designed to shield your device from everyday drops and scratches, keeping it looking new. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its compact profile. This case fits perfectly in your hand and your pocket, without adding unnecessary bulk. Experience precise control with tactile button covers. They provide a crisp and distinct press, ensuring every button function is easily accessible. We stand by our quality. This case comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Specifically engineered for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, 6.3-inch, this case offers a perfect fit and full access to all features. Protect your phone in style with this elegant forest green finish. It adds a touch of sophistication while providing robust defense. What we like. Experience premium protection against drops and scratches with a slim, comfortable grip. Its tactile buttons ensure a satisfying press, and it comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a balance of protection and a comfortable, pocket-friendly design, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's lightweight and comfortable in my hand. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, and despite the texture of the outer shell, a phone grip sticks to it with no issues. I love the quality and design. It feels sturdy and I like the dual-layer protection with precise cutouts for the ports. Also love the solid metal buttons covers on the side for the power and volume key. The fitment was perfect. The texture isn't too sticky, and it looks absolutely premium. The chrome side buttons are a really nice premium touch. This case really makes the phone feel good in my hand, and I don't feel like I might fumble it when taking it out of my pocket. And, it just looks smart. Number 3. Vofolen Wallet Case for Galaxy Note 10. Introducing the Vofolen Wallet Case, designed specifically for your Galaxy Note 10. It offers a stylish and convenient way to carry your essentials. With enlarged space, it can hold up to 4 cards, including credit cards, your license, or folded bills. Keep your important IDs and payment methods all in one place. Featuring a semi-auto spring door, your cards are kept securely inside. It's designed for easy opening and closing, ensuring your cards are safe yet accessible. This case boasts a heavy-duty armor design, offering superior protection. It's incredibly protective and convenient for your daily use, combining ruggedness with style. Precisely cut for easy access, you can now replace your bulky wallet with this slim case. It's perfect for traveling light while keeping your essentials organized and protected. What we like. This case combines a stylish, rugged design with a practical wallet for up to 4 cards and folded bills. Its semi-auto spring door keeps your cards secure, and the heavy-duty armor offers robust protection. If you want to replace your bulky wallet and travel light without compromising on security or style, consider this option. What people say. Love how cards are held, they don't slide out. Pretty thick and can fit about 3 cards. It's hard to pull them out if you have no nails. Holding up pretty well. The picture is a true image of the case, it protected my PH from breaking when it slipped from my hand. The compartment in the back is convenient for my Metro card. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 512GB unlocked, renewed. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in Aura Black, a renewed device offering premium features. This fully unlocked phone provides ultimate flexibility, working seamlessly with any carrier, both at home and abroad. Enjoy the freedom of a fully unlocked device. It's compatible with all major carriers, ensuring you can connect wherever you go without restrictions. Your new phone comes with a charger and charging cable. Please note that headphones and a SIM card are not included. This device has been inspected and is guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage. Any imperfections are barely noticeable when held at arm's length. Rest assured, it has passed a full diagnostic test, ensuring like-new functionality. All prior user data has been securely removed for your privacy. We've tested the battery health, and it's guaranteed to have a minimum capacity of 80%. You can rely on it for your daily needs. What we like. This device is fully unlocked and compatible with any carrier, both domestically and internationally. It has been inspected to have minimal cosmetic damage and passed a full diagnostic test, ensuring like-new functionality. If you prioritize carrier flexibility and a device that looks and performs like new at a potentially lower cost, this renewed option is ideal. What people say. The camera is amazing, especially in low light conditions. The battery life is excellent, lasting all day with heavy use. The display is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus Factory Unlocked Cell Phone. Experience a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Enjoy incredibly smooth scrolling and vibrant, true-to-life colors that bring your content to life. Unleash your inner photographer with a powerful 12MP camera system. Capture breathtaking photos and record stunning 4K videos with versatile wide and telephoto lenses. Stay connected and productive longer with an impressive 4,300 mAh battery. Enjoy extended use on a single charge, so you can do more without interruption. Transform your mobile experience with Samsung DeX. Connect it to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse to use it just like a PC, wherever you go. Enjoy a smooth and responsive user experience powered by Android 9 Pie. Access all the latest apps and features with this advanced operating system. This factory unlocked device in Aura Black offers both style and freedom. It comes with a US warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Enjoy a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and capture incredible photos with its powerful 12MP camera system. It also offers the productivity of Samsung DeX, allowing you to use your phone like a PC. If you're a power user, a mobile photographer, or someone who values a premium display and desktop-like experience, this is the phone for you. What people say. The phone feels solid and the all-glass design has a pleasant feel to it. The screen has a bright beautiful picture and the colors are really vibrant. Even though my screen's broke and the touch doesn't work, I can still control the phone and do everything like normal using the S Pen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.